What's up? What's up? What's up? Of course, it's me, your boy Richie Vetch at Consumer Appliance Report. Man, you already know, man, we review appliances. Today, we're going to focus on the Bespoke edition, 36-inch width, 28 cubic feet, side-by-side refrigerator in white with Beverage Center standard depth, made by Samsung. Alright, this is just an introduction to the appliance that we're going to work on, man. You already know, if you watch all our videos, we break down our appliances, talk about the price, how much it's going to cost you, talk about the parts, how much it's going to cost you to repair the appliance when it does break, when it's out of warranty. We talked about the warranty as well, warranty, manufacturer warranty, and we talk about the functions and features, and of course we give you our overall grade to let you know how we feel about this appliance. Alright, so let's talk about this Bespoke Samsung refrigerator. A couple things that you can look at. Bespoke design. It says bring your personal style to the kitchen and beyond. It has a beverage center. It says choose from an internal dispenser or a built-in auto-filled water pitcher. It has dual ice maker. You get cube ice or ice bits. It has an auto open doors. All right, automatically open doors. Open the doors with a light touch. It opens up. You'll be able to see that in as far as the video that we're going to show you. Extra large capacity. Again, we talked about 28 cubic feet space to fit all the food you love with room for more. It says premier interior design. It's smart things energy. Monitor and manage your smart refrigerator's power usage right from your phone. It has all around cooling. It says keeps every shelf evenly cool. So we're going to go into that as well to discuss that. Energy Star certified, power cool and power freeze. It has a gallon door bins. You can put bigger stuff inside the door bins ×3. It also has a standard depth dimension. All right, like we said, this is just an introduction to the Samsung appliance, man. You already know who I am. I'm your boy Richie Vetch at Consumer Appliance Report. You help me, I help you, we both help each other. Till next time, I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Out. Peace.
We go out of control, steer right clockwise, scream my name all night, take your prize, improvise. Boy, you run me like a wolf, bring it on really good. Every second not so smooth, can't you tell, can't you tell? You get us going like you should, bring it on really good. Every second not so smooth. Work your eyes clockwise, work higher than high. Like an oasis in the sand when the shit hits the fan, and you are the man for me.